I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing. This is your mathematics educator Abhinav Jha and I am back with yet another video, guys. So today we'll be again doing a problem that was asked in JEE Advanced 2022, but today we'll be doing a more than one correct problem. So this is a nemesis of all the students in the examination of JEE Advanced, and students often fear the questions from more than one because the chances of getting full marks is quite low, because if you calculate the probability of that, and there is a lot of chances of getting a -2 as well. So that is why this becomes a very skeptical thing in the examination. But as I tell you, right, डर के आगे ही जीत है, right? So we have to obviously take it head on and we have to solve these problems in a very focused and patient manner. So let's approach this amazing problem and let's see how can we look into the problem like this. So we've got a definite integral in front of us and we have been given a range of a. As you can see here, we have this arbitrary constant a over here, and it's looking like a basic integral. It's not looking too complicated and it's not looking too familiar as well. But if we start approaching the problem, I think so this is a very basic integral which is in front of us. So we have quite a few options, like we've got 4 options. So first let's approach the problem without looking into the options, and then we will slowly and steadily get the value of a, and actually that is what we want from here, right? As you can see here, a is a value which we can achieve by solving this definite integral, which is equated to 1 over here. So let's proceed. So guys, as we can see, this is the integral. So the basic fundamental behind solving a definite integral problem is to solve it in a such a manner where you put the most complicated thing as t, है ना? हम substitute करते हैं जो सबसे complicated दिख रही है चीज उसको as t. So यहाँ पे मेरे को जो सबसे complicated सी चीज दिख रही है वो यही है, right? So what we will do is a minus log x की power 3/2 we are substituting as t. So when I differentiate a एक arbitrary constant है, so this will become 0, and then we will get -3/2 log x to the power 3/2 minus 1, that will be 1/2, and again from the chain rule we will be differentiating the log x and we will be getting the value as 1/x. dx is equal to dt. Okay, so here we've got the log x का root, we've got the dx and we've also got x. तो ये पूरा जो term है काफ़ी अच्छे से substitute हो जा रहा है as dt into a constant. So we can simply over here understand that log x power half dx upon x can be written as -2/3 dt. Fantastic. So now let's proceed further. Okay, so let's look into this thing, that how can we further solve this problem. Now the integral will change and the limits will also change. I'll just write down what will be the limits, guys. So obviously if you put x as 1 in this, we will get log 1 as 0. So your t will become a. So the lower limit will definitely be a. Right, everybody? Okay, and when we put e, so we just put here e, log e is 1. 1 power 3/2 will be 1. So t will become a minus 1. So the limits are pretty simple. So now my final integral will become a very basic thing. What is that? That will become -2/3 dt, and this will be what, t square over here, right? So it will be what, -2/3 I am taking out, -2/3, this is going to be dt upon t square. That's it. This is my integral, guys. -2/3 is the constant, dt and t square, and the limits are from a to a minus 1. Fantastic. So what is the integration of 1 by t square? That is minus 1 by t. So minus minus will become plus. So it will become 2 by 3 of 1 by t. Now my dear students, the limits will be a to a minus 1. So finally I'll be arriving at 2 by 3 1 upon a minus 1 minus 1 upon a. Okay, and that is it, right? So what I feel is we can directly equate this to 1, right? Because that is what has been given in the question. So we will equate this value to 1, right? So as I equate this to 1, I will get an equation which will be not so difficult to calculate, right? So I'll just take that 3 by 2 that side, and we'll get a minus 1 upon a into a minus 1, and that I will be equating it to 3 upon 2. Okay, it looks like a quadratic, pretty simple quadratic. We will get 2 is equal, because a and a will cancel out, we will get 1 into 2, and this will be what? 3a square minus 3a. So finally we will get 3a square minus 3a minus 2 is equals to 0. This is my quadratic, my dear students. It's a very basic quadratic that we have achieved, and so far it's not looking as a very difficult integral which we had. In advance, there have been far more difficult questions that have been asked from this very topic, right? So what we'll get a as? A will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. This will be 6 4s. This will be what? Simply 24 upon 2a. That is going to be 6. So what are the values of a we are getting? One value we are getting as 3 plus root 24 upon 6. Perfect. And one we are getting as 3 minus root 24 upon 6. Yes, fantastic. So I definitely feel that, yes, this would be similarly here, it will be what? 33, right? Yes, that's actually a value which will be slightly more than 5, right? 3 plus 5 by 6, it's going to be more than 1, and this is 3 minus 5 by 6, which will be what? A negative value, right? So I think, why I am telling you that, because it would lie in this region, right? One value will be in this region, one value will be in this region. So definitely both are the values which we will be taking, which are actually falling in the region which we want. So guys, I think so both are irrational numbers. So let's see what are the options that might become correct. So I feel no a satisfies the above equation will definitely be wrong. I think so this won't be correct. An integer a satisfies the above equation. No, these two are not the integers, so this would be wrong. And we will have an irrational number a satisfies the above equation. This is correct. So this would be correct, definitely. And more than one a satisfy the above equation. Yes, we have 2a which will be satisfying the above equation, guys. So finally, what would be our answer? The answer to this fantastic question would definitely be CD, right? So we will be ticking C and D in the answer, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing solution to this more than one problem, right? And we'll be coming up with yet another strategy videos, as well as the videos which are comprising of some amazing questions. Stay tuned to this channel, and till then everyone, do take care of yourselves. Bye bye, see you.